Today we're going to bring the Hydro 3S. Everything you see is included, including the actual hook to grab the module once it's done, the actual power adapter, and I have not seen in any of this in any other module, which they have a little blower. This is actually to when you unplug it, you want to make sure there's no water in there, so you just blow it out and dry it out too. So the power cord is attached with this. All right, that's one thing. And of course, when you plug it in, you can't mess up on the plug because it's like a puzzle piece, and there's a little notch missing here. Now this works for any of the accessories that you have for your pool. If you have one of those poles, it kind of grabs on from there. To grab it up, just grab it from here, and that's it. Now the system itself has a self basket, retaining basket here. You just pick this up here, pull it out here, if you guys can see that. Now on the bottom, now underneath of it is where the actual latch to let go and release the actual garbage, anything you have in there. Now if you guys can see this on the bottom, this automatically aligns to the system, locking in place, and then make sure you lock it in place too. So I'm going to put this to use, and before we do that, I'm going to show you a couple features that it has. Hydro also includes a Poolmate bot application that you could download for Apple or Droid. Now you could schedule cleaning, you could have it unattended, one clean cycle, and intelligent tap cleaning too also is included with the app. Behind it is where the actual plug is in. Make sure the silicone covers covering the actual system when it's underwater. Once you take it out, make sure you blow out some of the any water that's retaining in here. That's very important before you plug it in. Underneath of it, it has bristles on the side of the tracks, and bristle on the bottom and the back. And then it also has a suction in here where it's going to suck all the trash and garbage that it needs to. All right, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on. If you guys can see, we're going to hit the on button. It will not start the process until actually it hits water, right? Now we are going to change the features, so we're going to push the button here. We're going to go auto, all right? Auto, that means it's going to do the walls and it's going to do the floors. So that's pretty much it. Make sure that the button's here, that you will be aware, right? So let's go ahead and throw it in. So the system will not start until water or it hits the ground, all right? All right, look at this. He's going on the actual top of the actual system. Look at that. Not a lot of machines get to swim this top. Look at this. All the way to the top, underneath of it, that's exactly where we want to be cleaning this pool. And this pool, we have a large rock formation here that we have, not formation, but a man-made formation that we have here. But this thing was able to clean right underneath one of the most critical parts that gets a lot of algae there. Check this out. This is gonna walk on the wall. This is what we want to see, because I do have some stairs here and we want to see if it goes through. Look at that. Climb the stairs. That's perfect. All right, this thing's working very well here, even if we have stairs. So I actually climbed the stair. Now it's dropping. Overall, this machine, I was very impressed with it. It was able to climb some of the steep steps that we have in here. The rock formation that we have on this system here, it was ready to go underneath of it. It took about almost an hour and 40 minutes before the next charge, and I didn't fully charge it to begin with. So out of the box, it was fully charged, half of it charged, and actually I just threw it into the water, and that's how I started running. But the trash, it was able to collect some stuff that I thought I had just cleaned the other day, and is able to rub it. It's because of the algae that's underneath the actual steps. It was able to go into the places that I can't reach. If you're looking out for a machine, something like this similar to it, it's compact, simple to charge, easy to just throw it and forget, and then retrieve it when it needs to charge. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.